welcome back to my channel. This feels super weird because it's been so long since I recorded anything. Y'all saw when the last time I posted a video. It's been a while. I don't even know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm a straight newbie, but welcome back. Today's video is basically going to be a curly to straight tutorial reviewing a flat iron that I was sent by Duvolle. This is what they look like. So I'm going to be unboxing. Actually, this is not going to be an unboxing because I just don't have that much time to do an unboxing, but I'm just going to get busy. I just washed my hair, just deep conditioned, and we're going to see what these flat irons are like. Like I said, I just washed my hair and deep conditioned. Smells yummy. So anytime that I flat iron my hair, I like to make sure that it is well protected. So what I am going to do is I like to go in with my Afghi keratin and green tea restructurizer. I feel like this just gives me some extra strength. That is what it says it does, so I'm just banking on it doing what it says it's supposed to do. So I just like to spray this all in my hair, just work that around. Then what I like to do is go in with my Chi heat protectant. This is a must. Because I do not want to damage my curls. So I spray that on damp hair, but I do also spray it on each section as I'm flat ironing. But you guys will see that in a bit. I like to go in with my Design Essentials Silk Elements, and this just gives me that nice silky body and texture. So I'm just gonna drop a little bit of that in my hand. That's probably a little too much actually, but it's okay. And I just work that in. And then I'm going to seal everything in with my Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. I love this stuff. It smells good and it really does add a nice bit of shine to my hair. Oh, that smells so good. So the way that I like to go in and blow dry my hair is just by separating it in halves. Y'all know, I hope y'all still know. I know just because I haven't been here in a while don't mean that y'all don't know me anymore. But y'all know I'm a very low maintenance type of girl, so I like to keep things simple. And just separating it in half like this keeps it all the way simple for me. So that's what we're going to do. But first, I need to get a scrunchie or a hair clip or something. Y'all see my Spice Girls action? Throwback vintage Spice Girls. So I'm just taking my blow dryer. I already put all my product in it. I feel like I want to put something else in here though. I'm gonna take a little bit because it's just not it was starting to dry in that t-shirt. I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil, hair lotion. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in each half of my hair because I need extra moisture, really focusing it on the ends. And then I'm gonna get started with the blow drying. I'm not gonna record this whole thing because ain't nobody got time for that. I'm trying to make this video short and sweet for y'all. It's not gonna be short and sweet for me, but for you guys, it's gonna be short and sweet. Alright, so that side is all blow dried. Going in with a little bit more of my spray, just one little spritz, maybe two. Work that in. I'm gonna go ahead and braid up this section just to get it out of the way. So now we're gonna go over to this side. This side is a little dry. I really like to put a little bit more moisture into it, even though I'm about to blow dry. but just because I think the products work a little better when it's a little damp. And your hair is supposed to be damp when you apply some of this stuff anyway, so. Actually, I just realized I just wet my hair for nothing because I realized that I put all of this stuff in my hair before I sectioned it into halves. But I am gonna spray a little bit more of this onto my damp hair, and then I'm gonna get started. Alright, so we got this side all blown out. I'm gonna add this side to the party, and we're just gonna go through it one more time. Then we're gonna get started on the flat ironing process. Again, this is by Duvolle, and it's their Rendezvous Professional Styling Iron. Alright. Ooh. So these flat irons have 5 different heat settings: 270, 360, 270, 320, 360, 410, and 450. For the level of straightness that I want, I'm not gonna go, I'll probably go somewhere between 360 and 410. Test that temperature out, see how I like it. If I feel like I need to go up to that 450, I'm gonna go up to that 450. My hair is nice and protected, so that shouldn't be an issue. To spray some of my chi on each section, just one little spray. Work that through. And I do use the chasing method. All right. It's blinking, so I think that means that it's reached its desired temperature. And now I'm gonna go in and run the iron through. Okay, not bad. That was one pass. Yeah, I'm gonna take that up to 450 because I'm not really feeling it on 410. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. I'm gonna go, I hate to do this, but I'm gonna do that one more time. All right, okay, much better. I'm gonna go ahead and take my next section, small sections at a time, of course, because that determines how straight it'll get. And again, I don't want it to be bone straight, but I want it straight. Taking some more of my chi, 2 sprays there, work that in. One pass. Then I'm gonna go through again to create that curl. Yes, 450 is definitely the temp that I need because it gets it straight enough for me. I'm also not gonna film this whole process because y'all kind of get where I'm going with this. I'm gonna come back when I'm about halfway done, and I'm gonna come back when I am done. All right, you guys, so I am halfway done. Loving the results so far. My hair is super bouncy and soft and shiny, and I'm loving it. So I am also, I don't know if I said this, because I had to stop and charge my battery, but I am trimming my ends as I go along. So I'm just gonna take this opportunity now that I am closer towards the front, and you guys can probably see a little better, but I'm gonna show you how I trim my ends. And this is basically how I do it every time. So taking a piece of blow-dried hair, spraying with my oil, and then my chi for protezione. Then I'm gonna go in with the flat iron just to straighten it with one pass. Slowly. Then I use this opportunity to go ahead and trim my ends. Now I'm gonna trim off all of that and a little more because I see a lot of nasty ends in there. And that's how I do it. That's how I use that opportunity to trim. And then I go in with my second pass, which is actually just to curl it. I'm gonna use this opportunity to get those edges. Just gonna brush these baby hairs down a little bit with a brush. No edge control. Just gonna work my fingers to loosen up these curls. And that's it, guys. Love it. I love, love, love these flat irons. Should I beat my face real quick? Beat my face real quick. And that is it, you guys. Hair is laid, curls popping. What y'all think? Yeah, and like I said, overall I really love this flat iron. The only thing is that little beveled edge. It is dangerous. Be careful if you have this flat iron or if you do plan on getting it. Other than that, I think the results are beautiful and they speak for themselves. I'll go ahead and turn around. A lot of body, bam, bam. Cute, right? So yes, definitely pick up this flat iron if you are interested. If you enjoyed these results and you want to get them for yourself, pick up this flat iron. And I do have a discount code that I will put in the description box if you're interested in getting it at a discount. I'd suggest you go ahead and use my discount code to go ahead and do that. Overall, love the irons. And I give them, if I had to rate these, I would give them about a 8. Only reason why I'm not giving them a 10 is because of that beveled edge, and I don't like to be burned. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like to be burned. And so, but yeah, Duvolle Rendezvous flat irons. Definitely grab them if you enjoyed these results. And that's it, guys. Until next time.